Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shrishti and this is my very first YouTube video. So today I'll be creating this soft pink glam makeup look. I have already prepped my skin with skincare, so let's get started. So for my base, I am using the Mars Illuminating Base. This works as an illuminator and gives a natural glow to the skin. I am applying it evenly so my makeup looks fresh and dewy. After that, I am going in with the Maybelline Age Rewinder Concealer. I am using this as an eye base to make sure the eyeshadow pops and lasts longer. I like to blend it out with my fingers because it makes the blending so easy. Now to lock that in, I am taking the Nykaa Matte to Last Setting Powder and I will set the eyelids so that it doesn't crease out. Then I am starting it with the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, which has 9 beautiful shades. First I am taking the soft pink nude shade and applying it all over my upper eyelid area. I am using a flat brush to place the color evenly and then a fluffy brush to start blending it out. Take your time with this step. Blending really makes a difference and gives you that smooth soft look. While I am blending, let me tell you, this shade is perfect for everyday makeup as well as glam looks because it's so subtle and yet buildable. After blending the pink nude shade, I am picking the two shimmer shades and mix them, and I am using my fingertip instead of a brush because fingers pick up more pigment from the eye palette and makes the shimmer pop beautifully. I am pressing it gently onto the center of my eyelid to give a gorgeous glow. So my half of the eye makeup is already done, as you can already see. Once that's done, we'll move on to the eyebrows. I am using the Maybelline Colossal Kajal to fill them in. You can also use an eyebrow pencil, but Kajal works perfectly too. After filling, I am taking a spoolie to brush through and soften the edges. Then with a flat brush and some concealer, I am cleaning up the edges to make the brows look sharp, defined and clean. Cleaning up the edges of the eyebrows does make a difference and it makes your eyebrows look sharp and clean. After completing my eyebrows, I moved on to foundation. Here I am using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and applying it with a foundation brush. Take your time with this step because blending is super important for a smooth and even base. You really have to take some time for blending out the foundation to make a even base. So once my foundation is blended out, I am going on with the concealer. For this look, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Wear Concealer. This is one of my favorites because it blends so smoothly, gives full coverage and feels really lightweight. I actually picked a shade slightly darker than my skin tone to cover my dark circles. I applied the concealer under my eyes, around my mouth and any areas that needed extra coverage. Then I blended it out with the brush, and as you can see, it blends out so easily and smoothly. If you have pigmentation or dark spots, I'd really recommend using a high coverage concealer like this one. Now to set everything in place, I am again taking the Nykaa Matte to Last Setting Powder. This is such a good powder, it really blurs out the imperfections and makes sure the concealer stays crease free. It gives a very soft finish to the base, which I really love. So after that, my whole face is completely set with the setting powder and my base is done. I'm again going back into the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette and picking up the same soft nude pink shade again. I'm applying it along my lower lash line. This small step makes such a big difference. It instantly makes the eyes look a little bit bigger and gives them a fresh dewy effect. Now that my eyeshadow is done, I am moving on to the eyeliner. I am using the Maybelline eyeliner to create a winged or cat eye look. I like to start from the end of my eyeliner and slowly extending inward to get a small flick. Take your time with this step. Small strokes gives you more control than trying to draw one big line. While I am applying, let me just say how much I love a classic wing. It instantly lifts the eyes and makes them look sharper and more defined. Once I have finished applying eyeliner on both eyes, you can see the difference it makes. The eyes look more dramatic and balanced. Next, to complete my eye look, I am going on to take a shimmer highlighter from the same palette and apply it to the inner corners of my eyes for that extra pop of brightness. I am using a brush for this, but since the brush isn't picking up enough pigment, I am switching to my fingers to press the shimmer highlighter into the inner corners of my eye. As you can already see, my eyes are looking a lot brighter and highlighted with this color. Now my eyes are completely done. Moving on to blush. I am using the K-Beauty Creme Blush in the shade Rosy Romance. This is a soft peachy pink color, perfect for a soft pink glam look. I am applying it to my cheeks, nose and chin, then blending out with a brush. This is a very nice blush. It's very pigmented and it's so creamy. It blends like butter on my face. So after I have completed blending out my blush, to lock it in, I am using the Faces Canada powder blush over the creme blush. Layering powder blushes over the creme blushes makes it last much longer. So whether you are attending an event or a wedding, your blush won't budge. So after layering the powder blush on top of the creme blush, now I am taking the Swiss Beauty palette and I am highlighting my face using the same palette. I am applying highlighter to the top of my cheeks, the bridge of my nose and little on my chin for that soft glow. As you can already see that how much a highlighter can make a difference to your face. It's giving a very glowy and dewy finish as you can see. Now I am moving on to the lips. I am starting with the Tint Cosmetic Lip Stain from their Emily in Paris collection. I am applying it just to the center of my lips to create that soft Korean style gradient effect. After applying, I am gently dabbing off the excess with my fingertip, or you can use a tissue also so it blends naturally into the lips. Once the stain is set, I am topping it off with the Nykaa Lip Glaze Lip Oil. This adds a beautiful shine and a touch of hydration, making the lips look fuller and healthy. I really love this lip combo because it gives a soft glossy finish without feeling heavy. After that, I'll move on to the setting spray to lock the whole look in place. Then I am finishing off with mascara. I am using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This is truly the OG mascara and I think it's one of the product everyone should have in their makeup bag. I am applying it on my upper and lower lashes to complete the look. And that's it. This is my final look. My soft pink glam makeup is fully complete. A little bit of party. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. A little bit of party.